Hi, Vintage Dolphins. Happy Friday and welcome back to the 2021 school year. This is Mr. Foldberry, socially distanced from the front office of Vintage. And for those of you who haven't met her yet, I want to reintroduce Mrs. Mattis, who was assistant principal here a couple years ago, and she is back. Welcome back, Mrs. Mattis.
Thank you. It's so good to see all of you guys. I know I can't see all of you on Zoom, but we will be popping into your classes in the next few weeks, and we hope to get to see you. I'm so glad to be back. I'm here part of the week, and then the other part of the week I'm over at Summer Lake. So I'm working at 2 schools this year.
Now, we definitely look forward to having you guys back in person as soon as we possibly can. But in the meantime, we're going to keep some of our traditions going. And one of those traditions is earning splash tickets from your teachers and from the campus supervisors and everybody else who gets to watch you doing such cool things as students. And we want to remind you of our 3 Bs at Vintage because those are still the same even though your class is on a computer screen.
So your 3 Bs are be safe, be responsible, and be respectful.
And there are so many different ways to be safe when we're talking about using all of our online tools for school and being respectful and responsible, even being respectful of your siblings, being respectful of your family members who might also have responsibilities over Zoom that they need to do while you are having your class responsibilities. So thank you guys so much for always being responsible and being great learners and representing Vintage so well.
Awesome. Should we pick some splash tickets?
We have some splash ticket winners. Let me read our kindergartners, and then we'll read all of our grades. We're going to do 2 splash ticket winners, and our next drawing like this is going to be 2 weeks from today. So you've got plenty of chances to earn more splash tickets. In kindergarten, Marley G. from Miss Timmons' class for being positive, and Emmanuel G. from Miss Tobin's class for participating in every Zoom meeting. Great job to our newest Vintage Dolphins.
Wow, and in 1st grade, we have from Miss Charleston's class, Giovanna N. for being respectful, and Daniela L. in Miss Moreno's class for being responsible.
In 2nd grade, 2 2nd graders who have been really responsible this week, it is Braden L. and Max Z.
Congratulations. Moving up to 3rd grade. In Mrs. Stolf's class, Olivia K. for being responsible, and also for being responsible in Mrs. Dyke's class, Junior D.
In 4th grade, we have Braven A. in Miss Rinder's class for being responsible, and we have Mason K. from Miss Lieber for participating so much in the class Zooms.
And last but not least, in 5th grade, for being responsible in Miss Favaloro's class, Julian R., and in Mrs. Davis's class for being helpful, Derek M.
So we are going to have something special coming to you in the mail. So those 12 Dolphins, look out for something cool coming to your home in the mail. Just something special from Miss Mattis and me to thank you for all of your awesome, awesome work so far this school year. Miss Mattis, we have something cool coming up a week from today on the 28th of August. What are we doing here at Vintage?
I wonder, how about for our first Spirit Day of the year, Tropical Day?
Tropical Day!
Sounds great.
So whether you wear your best vintage tropical tie-dye, or you come up with something dolphin related, or you imagine yourself on the coolest beach that you could ever be on, wear your best tropical stuff a week from today on Friday the 28th, and it'll be our first Spirit Day of the year. We'll keep those going the last Friday of every month.
I can't wait.
All right, Dolphins, so thank you for tuning in. This was our first, and we're going to see you soon, and we're going to keep our vintage spirit going strong this year. Thank you for being such hard workers during remote learning.
Great. Have a great day.